Your returnable containers are a valuable and important part of your business, but how well do you keep track of them? Tracking containers through unreliable paperwork or outdated systems may be costing you time and money in lost inventory or underutilized assets. TrackAbout is cloud-based asset tracking software that helps businesses manage physical assets, specially designed for those routinely sent out and returned like containers. Get complete asset lifecycle transparency. TrackAbout makes it easy to locate, rent, deliver, and maintain returnable containers. Just download the TrackAbout app to your mobile device to scan a barcode or RFID tag on your assets. Our secure website gives you complete oversight into where an asset is, what it's being used for, and when it will be returned. Useful analytics and reports improve asset utilization, boost rental revenues, and reduce spending on replacements. Whatever your business needs, TrackAbout offers data-driven asset visibility for better service. Protect your asset investments, use data as a competitive advantage, and drive smarter business growth. TrackAbout. Track with transparency. Want to learn more? Schedule your free demo today.